Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Module 9, Staffing in Management of our lecture series on Principles of Management with me, Professor Dr. D.V. Murthy, PhD in Management, brought to you by our channel B School Dr. D.V. Murthy, PhD Official, an initiative of Ramadevi Foundation, Hyderabad. In this module, we will explore how organizations identify, attract, nurture and retain the right talent to power their growth and innovation. From recruitment to training, from selection to career planning, you will uncover real world strategies used by companies like Infosys, Google, Wipro, Tata, and ICICI Bank. Whether you are a management student, HR professional, or aspiring leader, this session will help you master the art and science of staffing. Let's get started and learn how the right people in right roles can transform the future of any organization. What this module covers? It covers meaning and importance of staffing, steps in the staffing process, recruitment and selection, training and development, performance appraisal, and of course real life examples and case studies. The learning objectives. By the end of this module, the learners will: 1. Understand the meaning and strategic role of staffing. 2. Analyze the key steps in the staffing process. 3. Evaluate methods of recruitment and selection. And 4. Appreciate the role of training and appraisal in HRM. Meaning of staffing. Staffing is the managerial function of hiring and developing required personnel to fill various roles in an organization. It is integral to human resource management. It ensures right people in the right jobs at the right time. It is said that you don't build a business, you build people, and then people build the business in turn. What's the importance of staffing? It ensures organizational effectiveness and productivity. It builds talent, pipelines, and leadership succession. It reduces turnover and improves employee morale and motivation. It aligns individual competencies with organizational goals. For example, Infosys recruits top engineering talent through university drives and grooms them through its Global Education Center at Mysuru. Let's examine the steps in the staffing process. 1. Manpower planning, that is fostering future HR needs. 2. Recruitment, attracting a pool of candidates. 3. is selection, choosing the most suitable candidates. And 4. Placement and orientation, integrating employees into the system. 5. Training and development, enhancing skills and competencies. 6. Performance appraisal, measuring contribution and setting goals. And 7. Promotion and career planning, employee growth and retention. Let's take recruitment function. Internal recruitment is through promotions and transfers. External recruitment is all about through advertisements, job portals, and campus hiring. Take an example of Tata Group, which leverages both internal mobility and external hiring from top B schools. And Tata Group encourages diversity and inclusion. Let's look at the selection process. It's all about few steps: application, screening, testing, interviewing, references examination, and then final selection. The objective here in the selection process would be normally right person for the right job. For example, Google employs rigorous interview and testing procedures to hire culturally and technically fit candidates. Let's have a look at training and development aspect. On the job and off the job training, technical skills, soft skills, and leadership training. For example, Wipro offers structured induction and skill enhancement programs for freshers and mid-level employees. What are the key benefits of training and development? It increases efficiency, it promotes job satisfaction, it encourages innovation. Let's examine performance appraisal system. It is evaluating employee performance against set targets. The tools employed here are self-appraisal, 360-degree feedback, management by objectives. For example, HCL Technologies uses 360-degree feedback to drive performance and peer accountability. The purpose of this performance appraisal systems now, it's for identification of strengths and development areas, and it is for setting training goals and also for rewarding top performers. Next comes promotion and career planning. It is recognizing and rewarding merit and loyalty. It is aligning career paths with organizational growth. For example, ICICI Bank's career progression program encourages internal growth and fast track high performers. What are the challenges in staffing? Of course, there are. One, talent shortage in niche skills. Two, high attrition rates may be there. Third, changing employee expectations like work-life balance, flexibility, etc. may be another challenge. And fourth one would be remote work dynamics and how to handle it. Now, the key takeaways and learnings from this module is staffing is a continuous and strategic function. Recruitment, training, and appraisal drive workforce quality. And the real life corporate practices, which were discussed now, show the importance of professional staffing. That brings us to the end of Module 9, Staffing in Management. You have learned how the staffing process is not just about filling vacancies, it's about shaping the future of organizations through strategic hiring, effective training, and performance management. Real life case studies discussed have shown us how India's leading companies invest in people to achieve excellence. In our next module, we move from people to purpose driven leadership. Join us for Module 10, Directing, when where we will explore how to guide, motivate, and inspire teams. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our next module sessions. And if you found value in this module, let us know in the comments box. We love hearing from learners like you. Until next time, keep learning and keep leading. Thank you and good luck.